I actually had to run back to my house and grab another disc because a little bit ago there was a ton of fish in here and I don't want to miss out. So I'm back and I don't see any more fish, but I'm pretty sure that I'll be getting hits here fairly shortly. And I lost two big ones, big fish, and they're not hitting on my bait anymore. They were slamming it earlier. There's a big fish straight in front of us. If you guys could see that, that'd be cool. I'm gonna reel this in a little faster and hopefully kind of, geez, what is that thing? Oh, that's a bass. That's a big, fat, huge bass right in front of us, guys. He's coming in. He's curious. I'm gonna put this thing right in front of him and see what happens. Just to see what he thinks of it all. And he's looking at it. And, oh, there he is. Look at that lunker. Oh, baby. Jeez. Oh, man, that's a big, huge bass. Get my trusty little pliers. These are handy, guys. You can just reach down in, grab the hook, and it just pops out just like that. And look at that lunka. My goodness. That is a big bass. Holy moly, guys. Did you guys see that take it? Alright, let's put him on his merry way. Look at that thing. Jeez. That. Oh, man. Here in Idaho, you don't get to see bass like that too often. That might be a personal best for me. There's probably only 4 pounds. I still see one right there. I don't know if that's the same guy, but he might be pretty territorial. But that was cool. I watched him take it. He was curious. He was trying to see what I was. He wasn't sure what I was doing over here. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's him. There he goes. Taking off. Wow. That, I think that was my personal best. I don't even know. I'm just gonna say he was, oh man. I want to say 5 pounds, but I don't think he was. I think he was 4. We'll call him a solid 4. I need to get one of those fishermen. So guys, if you like this video and want to see more at Old Lake Nunyo, oh my gosh, there's something in there. He's going for it. I don't know what that thing was, but it was almost twice as big as what I just caught. Oh boy. I got an idea. I don't know. Maybe I should get the other one. He's swimming this way. Oh, he's swimming the other way now. Okay, he sees it. I'm gonna keep it. It's going right in front of him. There he is. It's going right in front of him. But man, he is a curious, huge, fat, lunky bass. And he's got like white stripes on him. Can you see that thing over there? Man. Oh man, now all of a sudden there's like 7 bass in front of me. They're all good size. They're really liking this like topwater thing. Oh man. Okay, as I said that, they all just scatter. I'm getting like buck fever here. You know, like I see the buck and you just can't help but like freak out. Normally I'm just like a calm fisherman, but there are huge bass in here. And I'm not exactly sure what they like, but here comes something. There's the big boy. Take it, man, take it. What are you doing? Okay, come here. Come here. That was crazy. So, this is just a 1.5. Jeez, calm down, dude. He's a jumper. He still thinks he's fighting. Okay, I got you. So, as I was trying to catch the big boy, this little guy comes and takes my hook, little 1.5 pounds, and he comes. Okay, I still see the big guy. Jeez. I'm gonna let this guy go over here real slow. There he goes. I'm gonna try to cast right over here. And there's my boy. There's my boy. Come on. Hopefully you can see him now. There he is, to the right. I know it's kind of a weird shot, but I'm trying to give you a few different angles to try to see this lunker. I think it's like feeding time. Maybe that's what's going on. Ah, still jacked. I thought he was so dark. You know why they get dark like that? When they're in these ponds. The older they get sunburned. See, there's no like real cover. And sturgeon are the same way. Like most of the time sturgeon are pretty gray and then white on the bottom. And these bass, when they get older like that, because that guy's been here, I don't even know how long, but when they get older, they get that dark coloration. Try to keep my slack out as much as possible. I'm in towards the wind too, guys. Like the wind's blowing towards me, and I don't know if that's the best, but to me it seems like I catch more when I'm on the side of the pond where the wind is blowing toward. Seems like a lot of the little bass group on that side. So maybe the bigger bass follow them in a little bit. Okay. Let's try a different color. Let's try this setup. And I can get it out there a little farther. See what happens. I think I found my new favorite spot. I'm gonna switch my sunglasses down again so you guys can see a little lunker. Oh boy, there's the biggest one of all. Holy cow. Jeez. I just put it right in front of him just to see what he'd do. I'm going to put this one right in front of his face. See what he'll do. Okay, so they like the pink. Screw this color. We're going back to pink, boys. Chopper. My brother flies choppers. Actually, Both of them, or two of them do. I do too, but my pilot's license has lapsed. So technically, I can't fly a chopper right now unless I have an instructor with me. Bite kind of ran dry here. Oh yeah, I watched you take it. Oh yeah, he's a fighter. Oh man, good size. Can you guys see him? He's fighting. Oh my god. Look at that lunker. I don't know if I want to lose him. Look at this guy. Wow. That's right. Fight, dude. Oh. Oh my gosh. He's just as big as my first. He might be the same guy. Oh. Look at that guy. Just barely hooked him on the mouth. He just pulled it right out. And look at the size of that bad boy. So you got the pokey spines in the back. You can handle them like this. Just pull them back first. Nice fish. Oh man, you guys can't even see it. Look at that bad boy. I just barely hooked him. And we'll let him get back to it. That was fun. There is some lunkers in here. Caught 2 PBs today. I'm gonna have to start wearing my glove. These guys are big. They're ripping my hands up. They got these big sharp teeth, and they must be feeding on like crawfish or something. Gosh, there's a big daddy. There you go. Right beside you, buddy. Turn around. Turn around. Every now and then I get a little bit closer looking. Turn around. Right there. Take my jig and eat it all. 'Cause I need you now to eat it. Just eat it long into the night. Doobie doobie doobie. There you go. Come back, come back, come back. It's almost here. He sees it. Got a little Rapala type of bait. Let's see how they do with some bright in the water. It's kind of cool. Little diver. I like it. I like the action. Jeez. He's either a new personal best or the same. He was a personal best. He'd have been. Yeah.
How big?
I think he was at least 4.5.
Wow. You got off though, huh?
He got off. I was playing with him. I got the GoPro on, so I tried to turn it on in the middle of the catch. Neighbor was trying to talk to me. I'm still a little in shock that I missed that fish. There's the other half of my bait that he took. Man, that thing was a big boy. I'm gonna have to analyze my fishing when I get home, find out how I caught him. Actually, dang it, that one I had to turn on during the middle of it, so I don't even have footage of me catching him to begin with.